We want foot patrols, not van patrols. When a police station is active, they can go to Equerry. We want attention in Ocean View to rectify the past problems of the government. They give us shit service. The people say enough is enough. Why does people get shot in the Ocean View? The guy get captured and caught, the guilty one, and tomorrow he's walking again. And if you talk, you dead tomorrow.
What we are going to do now is to deploy more police officers in Ocean View in your area in order to keep the area to rid of gang violence and the drug dealers. For the past 2 weeks, we have been deploying in the area. Last week we brought in 14 more additional officers. This is going to continue until your area is stabilized. It's fine, I hear you now. We are going to deploy as we speak now. There will be more police officers that you are going to see in the streets right now as we speak.